If your Chime account is locked, these are the simple steps that you can do. You can call the member services. Just dial this number and also available on the application for the quickest resolution. By heading to your profile and going to Help Center, just click the chat. You will chat within the Chime app to connect with the support and be ready to provide details such as your name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your security number or Chime debit card. Confirm that you own the account. Look for messages from the Chime regarding security alerts or verification requests, as they might have sent instructions. Since repeated failed verifications attempts can delay the process, so focus on clear communication with the support. Now, the common reasons for lockouts are this. Chime places temporary holds to review potentially suspicious transactions, and issues with login attempts or flag account details. Lastly is the incorrect information provided during sign up or password resets. And that's what you can do if your Chime account has been locked, and thank you for listening.